in Uttarkashi. I have 120 villages under the franchisee where we do billing distribute work, repair the LT lines and supply electricity. In 2008, monthly revenue collection was rupees 10 lakhs and presently we are collecting revenue of rupees 18 to 20 lakhs. Today, in Nalanda district and Muzaffarpur district of Bihar, franchisees have been appointed by the State Electricity Board. These franchisees have done praiseworthy work. The state-appointed franchisees have benefited consumers across several villages and small towns.
Collection Best Franchisee 2007 से
I have been working as collection-based revenue franchisee since 2007. I had 30 villages in 2007. Now I have total of 50 villages. In 2007, the monthly collection was 40,000 rupees. Today, the monthly collection is rupees 70,000. The department is also happy with me for the increase in revenue and the consumers are also happy.
21 जून 2006 से मोतीपुर मुजफ्फरपुर बिहार.
Since 21st June 2006 in Motipur, Muzaffarpur, Bihar, I am carrying out the work of the franchisee. When we had started our work in 2006, there were 50 villages and the yearly revenue was about 32,000 per month, which has increased to 1,15,000 rupees per month in the year 2010. The increase is approximately 3 to 4 times.
नालंदा विद्युत आपूर्ति अंचल में 11
Nalanda Vidyut Apurti Anchal, 11 feeders have been given to franchisee among these. There are some feeders in which assessment has increased 5 times and revenue collection is 70 to 90%. The T&D losses have decreased from 60% in 2007 to 40% in 2010. The problems faced earlier by consumer for connection have reduced. The franchisee is playing an important role in solving the problems of consumers. Talking about franchisee trainings, franchisee appointments and their systems of work. All over the country, one has to recognize the appointment of franchisees in districts of Bhadoi and Jaunpur in Uttar Pradesh. Due to the appointment of the franchisee, here too, the power suppliers and consumers are finding power management and distribution more convenient.
अगस्त 2006 में फ्रेंचाइजी का काम शुरू किया जो है उस समय
I started the franchisee work in August 2006. At that time, I had only 8 villages under my jurisdiction. Today, after 4 years, I have 168 villages, which includes 25 villages under RGGVY scheme. When I started the franchisee work, the bill distribution was very poor. I attempted to improve the bill distribution, providing 100% billing to everyone from house to house. I was successful in doing it. The consumers were also excited about the franchisee and they trusted me. The consumers do not go to Bhadoi division but come directly to my counter to deposit the money regularly, which is then deposited in the department. The revenue collection in this area used to be close to 20 lakh rupees per annum. This has increased to 1 crore 11 lakh rupees within 1 year of our efforts.
फ्रेंचाइजी हमने 2009 1 जनवरी 2009 को प्राप्त किया था. उस साल
We started the franchisee work in January 2009. At that time, the revenue was approximately 75 to 80 lakh rupees. The department was not able to collect even 1 lakh rupees prior to franchisee deployment.
फ्रेंचाइजी के आने से सुविधा यह है कि पहली बात तो बिल हम लोगों के घर.
The advantage of a franchisee, firstly, is that the bill reaches us at home timely. The office is close by to deposit the bill. It is within 3 to 4 kilometers and we can deposit the bill anytime during the day.
हमारे कर्मचारियों ने और इन फ्रेंचाइजियों ने मिलकर के अच्छा खासा
Our workers along with the franchisees have worked very hard. Within a year, the T&D losses have decreased from 59% to 36%. Thus, 23% T&D losses have been reduced and the revenue collection has increased by 400 crores over the year, which is approximately 30 to 35 crores per month.
सबसे पहला काम एक आदमी के हाथ में बिल पहुंचाया और रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन की पोजीशन ये हुई.
The very first thing was to make sure that every consumer gets their bill. If we talk about the position of revenue collection, in the very first month, we have collected revenue of rupees 18 lakhs. Presently, we have total 5,500 consumers. Every month we meet the consumers during distribution of bill. Bond of trust has been built between us and consumers. Sometimes they used to call us to make the bill payments. It's true to say that appointment of franchisees all over the country for electricity distribution management and revenue collection are progressing successfully to achieve their goals.
राजीव गांधी ग्रामीण विद्युतीकरण योजना, गांव-गांव बिजली, घर-घर उजाला।